Hi everyone. In this lesson, we will start learning Chinese Pinyin. Pinyin consists of initial, finals, and tones. There are 23 initial grouped by their pronunciation positions and 36 finals, including 6 basic vowels. We will first get to learn the 6 basic vowels and the 4 initial today. What you see here are the 6 basic vowels. I will pronounce each basic vowels twice, and please follow me to do the practice. O, O, I, U, U, Y, Y. What you see here, the red characters above are the initial, and below are the combinations of the initial and the basic vowels forming Pinyin. I will first pronounce the initial, then demonstrate how to pronounce out the Pinyin, followed by pronouncing the Pinyin for twice. Please follow me to do the practice. B, B, A, Ba, Ba, B, B, O, Bo, Bo, B, B, I, B, 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 U, Bu, Bu. So once again, the red one is the initial, and then the yellow ones from the left to right. Ba, Bo, Bi, Bu, Pu, Pu, A, Pa, Pa, Pu, Pu, O, Po, Po, Pu, Pu, I, P, P, Pu, Pu, U, Pu, Pu. So once again, the red one is the initial, and the yellow ones from the left to right. Pa, Po, Pi, Pu, M, M, A, Ma, Ma, M, M, O, Mo, Mo, M, M, E, M, 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 I, Mi, Mi, M, M, U, Mu, Mu. So from left to right, Ma, Mo, Me, Mi, Mu, Fu, Fu, A, Fa, Fa, Fu, Fu, O, Fo, Fo. fu, 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 fu. So from left to right, fa, fo, fu. Here you will see some pinyin units together with the tone marks. Each of them form a vocabulary. So let's practice the pronunciation with me. 爸爸，爸爸，伯伯，伯伯，妈妈，妈妈，麻婆，麻婆，木马，木马，父母，父母，皮肤，皮肤，妈咪，妈咪，不饿，不饿，逼迫，逼迫，琵琶，琵琶，爬坡，爬坡，瀑布，瀑布，磨皮，磨皮，疲乏，疲乏，佛，佛。So in order to let you get familiar with the Pinyin writings and the pronunciations, I prepare Pinyin worksheets for you guys as exercises. So the download links is ready at the descriptions below. You can also find it in the curriculum of Pinyin course at our site. Please make sure you practice it and come back to move on to the next lessons when you are ready. For more courses you can explore in the Chinese Voyage and keep your momentum, please check out the links in the descriptions below. We have drawn a very clear and steady learning path for you. If you like my video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Thank you and see you!